Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name is Shepard, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today, I've got a tool that everybody's been asking about and wanting to use on Mixer. It's something that we can use to make clips, and I know you all are dying to do that. Okay, it's called SmartClips. It's literally a third-party app integration that works with Mixer, and it's the easiest tool to set up and use to make clips. So all you'll do is go to SmartClips.app and then make an account. From there, it's going to have you authenticate your Mixer channel, just like any third-party app, and then you'll go to setup. So on the setup page, you have a few options here. All you'll want to do is click command if you want all of your chat to make clips, or click mod only command if you want only your mods to make clips, which that's what I'm recommending because I'm using the free version. So whenever you do that, you'll just want to copy and paste this overlay link on your streaming software. So I'm using Streamlabs OBS. I'll just copy this link and paste it as a browser source in my Streamlabs OBS. What it does is it captures your stream, and whenever you type !clip, it's going to clip out a section of that stream for you. It's super easy to use and really easy to set up. You can also checkmark replay if you want your clip to play on the stream once you've actually recorded it. I don't have that check mark though, because I only want my clips to play afterwards and just for me to go reference them. So I'm gonna uncheck mark that. They have API access for Mix It Up, which helps you make your mix play board on Mixer, which is like where people make sound effects and you can interact with the streamer and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. It looks super easy to set up. I don't use Mix It Up personally, but all you'll do is use the API token that they have there and the channel ID to then link it up with your Mix It Up. So whenever you type !clip in your chat and then 30, which is the time frame that you'll want to use if you're on the free version, it's going to create the clip and link it in your chat, and then it goes to your profile where all the clips are stored. So there's almost no delay making the clip and actually being able to view it, which is like the best part too. There's no processing time. It's amazing. I don't know why I didn't know about this before. I think the best part about this app is that the stream quality is identical to the source quality that you're streaming from. So you're giving up almost no quality making these clips. And from what I've heard, a lot of other third-party apps give up a lot of quality whenever you try to make them. You can watch your clips here, you can save them and download them. For the free version, you can store up to 50 clips and they save for 7 days. And then also you only have a limit of 30-second clips. But you can pay for it, and there's a couple different other options that you can do. For a lot of people, the 7 days, 30-second clips, and up to 50 clips in total work perfect. For me, I've been streaming for a few months now, and the free version works fine. Guys, that's literally the tool, and that's how you use it. It's as simple as that. All right, so if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then also check me out on Mixer at mixer.com/theshepard. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.